It's incredible how long this COVID-19 is going on, and hopefully in the near future we'll be able to go on an adventure again. A great opportunity just to fix things up, repair things, what to do, how to prepare for a trip, etc. So I've just been pumping up the tyres here. The hose broke. I'm going to make a quick video about how to repair the hose now. I do carry a spare hose. The lesson here is carry a spare hose for your air compressor. Hi, and welcome again to another Adventure 8 Greenie Flick Studio video. I went to pump up the tyres today and with my internal compressor to the Troopy, and I got through about halfway through them, and then as you can see here, the actual one of the connections here broke. This video is going to be about repairing the air hose. Here we go. So we'll be needing a few tools. I've got a knife, and I did have a look at my toolkit and see what spanners and ring spanners I had, and it appears that the size of this is 16 millimeters, and I got every spanner under the sun except for 16 millimeters. I do have, which is equivalent to about 5/8 inch across the flats, which seems to fit there, but then an open-ended spanner on that 5/8 didn't work, so yeah, that is definitely 16 millimeters on both sides. Nevertheless, I'll be able to use an adjustable spanner there, and theoretically, if I undo this, yep, it comes undone fairly easily, and I should be able to just undo that. Voila. And not entirely sure, but you can see you've got the plastic still in there. So I might need a screwdriver as well, just to poke that out. It's going to be a bit harder than anticipated. Might need a small screwdriver for that. Okay, a small screwdriver. I might hold this with some adjustable spanner here, and that way if I slip I don't kill myself, and because obviously if you try and poke that through, you can go like that and it goes straight into your hand. So for safety, hold it with something. Got it out. All right, so it looks like when you put the end of the hose in and then you clamp it up, then it appears that the excess, looking at this, oh, I see, that gets put on like that, and then you pull it back in, and then as you screw it up, it actually clamps onto the hose there. Yeah, clamps onto the hose like that. So that will, okay, so the next task is to cut the hose here, find a good section of hose. So that was, the sleeve went over that, so what I might do is I might just go right back to this point here where it appears to be in good condition, and just cut that off so it's nice and clean. Obviously do it on a chopping board, an old piece of wood, so you don't wreck your table. And but remember, this has got to go on first, like so. there's a sleeve. So that will go on top like that. So we've got that one and that one. And then put that in there. And then theoretically we should just be able to pull that on. Just got to get this thread started, make sure you don't cross thread when you do that. Okay. Oh, it seems to grab the thread. And that's tight, that's hand tight. So I'm presuming that that's a good fit. And I will try this out, and it should all be working. So that didn't take very long at all. And this just goes back on. Yeah, that just this just goes on the sleeve like that. And that's ready to go. That's looking pretty much similar as far as the flange and everything. So I'm guessing that is ready to go. This would normally just fit in like that. There you go. So I think we've done it. Yay, yippee! I love it when a job goes so quickly. Normally when I embark on a job, it always takes 3-4 times longer. So it's good. We've got the hose fixed, and I'll try it out later on, but I'm sure it's going to be working 100%. So I hope you enjoyed this brief video, and please subscribe. Click the thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down, and comment if you don't like the video, comment if you like the video. Let me know the type of things you'd like to know. I'm trying to obviously expand my YouTube following, so subscribers, please subscribe, and please do comment as well. I'll be making more and more videos around the Troopy and the little things about it, how to repair things, the things I carry in there and why. And hopefully there's a lot of lessons to be learned, and there's a value to all my subscribers and viewers. So until the next video, we'll see you soon. Thanks again. So remember, subscribe, click the thumbs up, click notifications, and that way you get notified when the next video is on. Cheers.